2022 has ended. I was lucky to be able to spend the New Year's Eve with Jarek and our friends. The new year arrived and it started slowly. I hung the copy of The Great Wave by Hokusai, my favorite artwork Jarek has gifted me. Spend some time cutting prints out of my old calendar. I really like doing this because it marks the end of the old year, wraps it up, while I get to keep the good parts. It's quite meditative for me. Does it make sense? Anyway, I will hang these in my art studio. Been watching vlogs from some cool people all over the world, from Korea through Svalbard all the way to LA. I planned to make some fun summer earrings with these resin components I found recently. Prepared my new calendar and organizer, which I will start using now to keep planning my days ahead. I mentioned in my recent vlog that I finally figured out a planning system that works for me. If you struggle with being late all the time, feeling behind, and like you can't seem to make deadlines and goals, I encourage you to experiment with planning, whether it's a complete strategy of time blocking and planning 2 weeks ahead, or simple review you do every night or every other day for the following few days. It may help you improve your work, allocate more rest and playtime, and fulfill more commitments. I don't know much about it, but I do recommend Lavender or Matt Davella here on YouTube for some organization and productivity tips and resources. I also want to reread this book, Big Magic, by Elizabeth Gilbert. It's amazing for creatives and really helps improve creative mindset and deal with artistic procrastination. I'm glad this year has ended. It was difficult for so many, and I know that a lot of you can relate that this year wasn't easy. That being said, I can see now, having the perspective that only time can give us, that a lot of good things have happened during the past 12 months too. And the struggles that seemed so unfair and burdensome turned out to result in much needed growth and perspective. Sometimes it's worth taking a step or two back so that we can then move forward. I hope that your life will be kind to you this new year, filled with happiness and love. I appreciate you, and I hope that you will appreciate yourself and your effort you put in everyday tasks and work. And please don't feel discouraged if things aren't looking too great at the moment. It gets better, even if sometimes we have to wait a bit longer for the weather to change. Friends, you have such a massive impact on my life. You have no idea. Although we are mostly strangers, I do consider you my friends, and I want you to know how grateful I am for this channel, for your comments, for watching my videos. Knowing that you enjoy them means the world to me, and by simply watching these videos, you helped me become the jewelry maker and content creator I am today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This year, I will do my best to bring you more interesting and inspiring videos, and I hope that my content will continue to help you. Reading your comments is so much fun, and I love learning about your experiences and hearing your thoughts and ideas. I can't always reply to everyone or follow every suggestion, as I am just one person, but know that I take your feedback very seriously and I try to read all of your comments. Thank you, and have the most wonderful, peaceful and kind year 2023. Love, Basia.